Hello, good evening. My name is Dirty. I'm here to present my project on measuring intelligence in infants and young children. Sorry, my voice is a little hoarse and I also have a cold, so I'm trying to speak as clear as possible. What is intelligence? It is multi-phase capacity that manifests itself in different ways. Ability to acquire knowledge, reason logically, plan effectively, pay attention, solve problems, be intuitive, and to cope with, adjust to, and also make the most of new situations. Intelligence is the ability to learn from different experiences. What is intelligence? The continuation stage. Defining and measuring intelligence predates scientific psychology, founded in the mid-19th century. Young children define intelligence in a term that indicates positive interpersonal skills such as being nice, polite, and having academic skills. Origin of intelligence test. According to our textbook, Alfred Binet is a French psychologist who was the first to measure intelligence along with his friend Feynman. He published the first modern intelligence test in 1911. Binet and Feynman worked together called the scale, Binet-Feynman scale. Binet identifies children in advanced age who needed special help battling with school curriculum. And what I mean by special help, like kids with disabilities. Sanford Binet, an intelligence scale. This is used with preschool level and adult level test takers, mostly used for schooling purposes. Before begin formal schooling, children demonstrate mnemonic competence, such as respond to questions about what happened in class or before class. Wechsler Intelligence Scale, also administer young children in school around the age of 6 to 16 years old. How intelligence measured? We measured intelligence of a person with the help of different types of intelligence tests. An infant from birth to 18 months. Intellectual assessment consists of primarily of measuring sensory motor development. Measurement of nonverbal responses would be like lifting your heads up, being able to sit up, imitating gestures, reaching for objects, things like that. How intelligence measured? Measuring an infant's intelligence relies to a great degree of information obtained from structured interviews with the parent and legal guardian. An older child, the focus and evaluation change to verbal and performance abilities such as vocabulary, social judgment, facial visualization. Intelligence testing has a long research history in psychological measurement in childhood. A test of general intelligence is provided for when a preschool age child is referred for a clinical psychological evaluation. An intelligence test provides information about the child development and their setting are mostly in scholar or clinical settings. This is a picture of the intelligence quotient. The intelligence quotient, EIQ, There are several intelligence tests, including in many assessment of children and adults for screening purposes, and they are available for intervention needs and evaluation. They're also available for education as well. IQ intelligence quotient is the ratio of mental age to chronological age multiplied by 100. IQ test purpose is to measure intellectual function, measured by standardized testing. Group tests. Group tests their purpose is to assess academic areas, assess cognitive measures, identify children with disability. Issues in measurements of intelligence, cultural bias, feedback from examiners to examinees, the competence of person interpreting the test data, ethical concerns in intelligence measurement, misdiagnose, fairness, carefully explain the results without any judgment. These are some ethical considerations. Cultural and measured intelligence, education background, social competence, level of ability, achievement, and motivation. Black, Hispanic, and Native American they scored lower on intelligence tests than white. Factors that influence intelligence. We have genetics play a crucial role on intelligence. Environmental factors such as education, diseases, and mental illness. All those are factors that can interfere with the intelligence. And these are my references.